Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is day 12 of June daily lead code challenge, and our today's question is based on strings. It is marked as easy. So let's see the problem statement first. So in the question, they are giving us a sorted unique array. Like in this array all elements will be unique. You just have to return the range, like particular ranges for every digits. For example, here in this example one, we have one range is 0 to 2. Why 0 to 2? Because this 0 to 2, like in this range, from like if you consider 0 as starting point and 2 as ending point of that range, then all the digits, all the numbers between 0 and 2 are present. That's why we are making the range of 0 to 2. Then we see 3 is not present. Okay, then 4 and 5, this is one range because like 4 to 5 consecutive numbers we have, so we are forming another range 4 to 5. Then 7 is alone, so we are putting 7 as like individually like this. Okay, so we have to just form the ranges in this sorted array where elements are unique. So we have now three ranges that we have to return. In example 2 we are seeing 0 is alone, like there is no 1 or any consecutive number, so we are putting it separately. So this is one range 0. Then 2 3 4 till 4. Okay, then 2 to 4 there is one range because we have 2 3 also 4, so 2 to 4 this there is one range. Then 6 to 8, this is not a range because 7 are not present, so we will put 6 separately. Then if we are seeing 8, then 8 to 9 there is one range, so we are making it as a range and we are returning there are four ranges. Okay, so this is how we have to do. So what approach we can use? As you can see, we have to just form we have to just return the ranges. Okay, so if this is the example, so how we can actually approach the problem, guys? So one thing I can see, I have to just return these ranges. Ranges are what in itself ranges, like if this is 0 to 2, that means in my sorted array there 0 is present, 1 is also present, and 2 is also present. That's why I'm saying this is 0 to 2 range. So what I can do, I can stand here and I can check, like if this number is 0, is 1 present? If 1 is present, then check next number. If 2 is present, if 2 is present, I will check if 3 is present. If not, till 2, like till the point you are getting consecutive number, make this as a range. Okay, I am making this as a range. Then start from the next point. That is nothing but 4. After 4, are you finding any just one big number than 4? Yes, I can find 5. Okay, 5. Can you find 6? No, I cannot find 6. Then just stop here and put this as a range 4 to 5. Then you are checking from 7. Is there any number bigger than 7? Like just one big number, 8? No, 8 is not present, and this is the ending of the array. So I can put 7 separately. So this is a problem where you can use two pointer approach. Two pointer approach is what? You can stand at one point, like in this example you can stand at this point. That is nothing but your first pointer. You can make it as I, or start whatever you want to make. Then you can start another pointer and go and check for consecutive incremented number. Like if this is 0, find increased number like 1, then 2, then 3. If like till the point you are getting consecutive incremented number, you go till that point, and this is your j, the another pointer. And once you are done, once you are unable to find a number in this consecutive range, you can directly push this range. Like if this is 0 and this is 2, you can just put this range into your vector of string, because we have to return vector string, so you can put in that. Similarly, then after this you can put this I pointer after here. So at here you can do similar to this 4 to 5. Then you can go here and you can put 7. So this is how you can do. I hope this approach is clear to you. Let's move on to the code. So what we are doing, like the same thing we are doing, that I have told you in the approach. So just we are making this result vector string to return. Then we are extending. Then I am extending this. Then I am putting this I pointer on the starting. Like here, I am putting this I pointer, and then what I'm doing, I'm putting J pointer just after this, and I'm checking if this is the last, if this is the last number, this is the last digit, then I know definitely if this is the last number, I cannot form a range. I have to put it separately like this 7. Or if this number is like, if this number has no consecutive range. What I mean by this, if for example, if this number is 6, if I am standing at 6 and I am making j as 8, so I am seeing there is no kind of range between 6 and 8, so I have to put 6 separately. So how I am checking this with this condition, if nums of I plus 1, if I'm at 6 and I am doing 6 plus 1, that is 7. If the another number is not 7, if the current number is 6, that means I can, that means a range cannot be made. I have to put this number separately. So I am putting this number separately. Got it? Then I am just increasing this pointer. Like if I am at 6, you have pushed the 6, then you can move to 8. Okay, so the else condition, what else condition is saying, this is saying if you are on digit or number like 0, like in this yeah, if you are on 2, for example, like this is consecutive range, that's why I'm taking this. If you are on 2 and you are seeing consecutive numbers 2, 3, 4, so make it a range. So this is for the range and this is for separate numbers like this 7. Okay, so if you are finding a range, how can you detect that? You have j pointer, that is like if this is I am putting j here at this 3. I will be checking, like check if the next number is incremented. Like how incremented, like if this is I, like 2 is I, so this is what index 1. Okay, like if this number is 2, okay, let me explain like this. If this number is 2 and if I am on 3, so this index is what, this is 1 and this is 2, so this will be incremented by 1, so that's why j minus I am checking. This is nothing but the incremented, for incremented number every time. If this is on 3, then if this is on 4, so I will add 2, I will check from here 2 plus 2, then 4. So this time I will be checking like the number are consecutive in increasing fashion. So if the numbers are in a range, I will be increasing, I will be incrementing that. And like by increasing, I will be here 2, 3, 4, and then 6, I will be here. Because if 4 is if we have found 4 as in consecutive increasing fashion, then we will come to 6 and you find, oh, 6 is not in the consecutive range. So what we will do, we will just push, like how we have to push the range, the starting point, that is nums of I, the ending point, that is nums of j. No, not nums of j, it's nums of j minus 1. So because the range is 2 to 4, not 6, 6 is excluded. So we have to, whatever we do, starting point, then this arrow, and nums of j minus 1, because we have to exclude the last point, because the range is only till here, till this 4. And after that we have to just make after that what we could do, just point this I pointer to this j, because like in this, for example, j, like this is the range, then j was here, and we have made the range till 4, so from 6 we will start. So I will assign this I pointer to j. So this is the logic, and in the last we can return this res result, which contains all the ranges. So I hope you have understood. So if you have understood, please like the video and you can subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thank you.